Within your Uconnect system is the electric app that allows you to see your vehicle's power flow, understand your driving history, and set a charging schedule for your vehicle's high-voltage battery. To access the app, press the Vehicle button on the main menu bar of the touchscreen. From there, select the Electric tab. Power Flow shows you the current power readings for the motor and climate system. Driving History shows the miles driven in the current and previous weeks. Charging Schedule allows you to set a charging schedule for your vehicle to make sure it's charged and ready when you need it. AC Charging Level allows you to select the rate at which your vehicle charges. You can select from 1 to 5, with 1 being the lowest rate and 5 being the highest rate. You can also activate and deactivate the e-coasting feature through the Uconnect settings in the electric vehicle app. E-coasting uses the regenerative braking system to decelerate the vehicle when you release the accelerator pedal. This maximizes energy capture and helps recharge the electric battery. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.